The education system has a key role to play in helping the Welsh Government reach 1 million Welsh speakers by 2050. In order to achieve the aim, learners must have what they need to develop their Welsh language skills. The Welsh Government has therefore created a single national framework, the Language Charter Framework, which is consistent with the development of a curriculum for Wales and supports the development of the Welsh language across all our schools. All schools, whatever their linguistic context, are expected to work within the same framework to ensure that learners are confident to use their Welsh language skills, nurture positive attitudes towards the language, increase the use of the language inside and outside the school. 5 outcomes have been developed for implementing the Language Charter Framework. These are: Number 1, leadership shown at whole school level. This means that all the school's workforce, learners, parents, carers and governors understand the aims and objectives of the Language Charter and their role in supporting its implementation. Number 2, learners take ownership of the Welsh language and understand its relevance to everyday life. Learners encourage and support each other to take responsibility for the language, with the school workforce, the crew leading the Language Charter, and their fellow learners all discussing the language, its relevance to everyday life, and provides guidance. For example, pupils can enjoy a Welsh music gig in class to celebrate Welsh Language Music Day. Number 3, schools encourage learners' use of the language outside the classroom and offer Welsh language and culture experiences across the curriculum. We hope to see enrichment activities and experiences offered to develop learners' use and enjoyment of the Welsh language, with everyone from the school workforce to the Welsh language ambassadors encouraging it. This can include celebrating special days such as Siwmai Simai Day and T-Llew Jones Day, or learning more about Welsh stories such as Branwen, Rhita Gawr and Owain Glyndŵr. Some schools have even created murals that are relevant to Welsh history, such as Cofiwch Dryweryn. Number 4, the school workforce develops their Welsh language skills and uses Welsh with each other and with the learners. It is expected that the school development plan includes a clear commitment to this, with the workforce taking advantage of opportunities to develop their Welsh language skills in line with professional standards. For example, it is possible to offer teachers and support staff a sabbatical course to raise standards. And finally, number 5, working in partnership with the wider school community to support learners' use of the Welsh language outside of school. This means providing guidance to parents and carers to encourage them to support their children's language use outside of school, and encouragement and support for learners to use Welsh through technology and social media. From creating a podcast for learners by school learners to undertaking environmental or heritage projects in the community to get to know the local area, there are many possibilities.